This 2019 Coleman 1605 FB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Taylor, Michigan, 48180 and is offered for sale by Vickers Trailer Sales. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coleman is 20 feet 0 inches in length and features external shower, leveling jacks, carbon monoxide detector, stovetop burner, awning, spare tire kit, refrigerator, water heater, smoke detector, air conditioning. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, mid-living area, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2019 Coleman 1605 FB is 4,786 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Vickers Trailer Sales.